Hello everyone, it's Jonathan from MonuGrid. Welcome to another Tech Talk video. I will cover gravel very quickly today. The gravel that we use to build our MonuGrid foundations is called 0.75. The reason it's called that way is because literally the smallest gauge of gravel you're going to get in there is dust, so the 0, ranging all the way up to a 3/4 inch diameter. And it has to be angular like this, because what will happen is when you compact it, it'll make it so that it interlocks with itself. It's going to create a very tight bond, a very nice compaction, so that you can lay your monument on there. But it still remains fairly drainable, and so the water will be able to seep through this and back into the ground naturally, as it should. The other gravel that we sometimes use is the complete opposite. So this is called 3/4 clear, and the gravel's literally been washed and separated from all of the dust. We use this when there's a lot of water involved in the foundation, sort of as a buffer zone or a catch basin, if you would, a natural catch basin, to hold some of that water and let it seep again into the ground naturally as it should, without damaging or disturbing the foundation or the monument above it. And so those are the two different gravels that we use. This gravel here, the 0.75, is mainly used in construction, very widely used to create road beds, again because of the compaction that it brings. So you could go to any gravel yard and they should carry some 0.75, because again they use it very widely in construction under concrete pads, roads. This is the base course for interlocking stone, pavement structures and stuff like that. So it's very common. The name we use again is 0.75. So I hope that helps. And if you have any other questions, please reach out and I'll be happy to answer those for you. Have a good one.